About animals in the wild. Selection summary. This article describes 3 animals and where they live. The bighorn sheep lives in the mountains or the desert. It has large curled horns. The white-tailed deer lives in the forest. It has fur that changes color. Coyotes live in the desert, mountains, and plains. They howl to communicate to other coyotes. Pronunciations for names in the selection are bighorn, so big horn. Desert is desert. Antlers are antlers. Coyote is coyote. Background. Bighorn sheep live in the mountainous regions of the United States and Canada. They also live in the deserts of the southwestern United States. The white-tailed deer is named for its tail, which has a white underside. It raises its tail to reveal white fur when it is scared. The coyote will build a den or home by digging underground tunnels. The den is where the coyote keeps its family safe.